Ready to pinpoint high-demand areas your stores haven't reached yet? With MAPOG, you can simply turn raw customer data into hotspot maps that guide smarter expansion. Just head to story.mapog.com and in your store location map, go to Process Custom Location and choose Add by uploading CSV/Excel to begin uploading your customer data. Next, click the Select Custom Location Template Settings icon and hit Add More Location Type. Name your template, for example, Customer Data, and set the geometry type to point. Now, add attributes like branch name, purchase amount, and visit frequency, assigning formats like text or number. Once done, click Save. Then select your template from the drop-down. Browse your device and upload your CSV or Excel file with coordinates and customer details. After uploading, choose your unique ID, match each attribute to its Excel column, and for placement, select either coordinates or WKT. Once aligned, click Submit. Now that your customer points are plotted, go to the Customer Data Layer panel and click Add Layer Style. In the Category section, select Attribute as branch name, then color code each branch and adjust point size for clarity. Click Save Style to apply. To enrich your map, click the pencil icon on any point and choose Edit Custom Location Details. Here, you can update attributes or add images for deeper insights. Finally, enable the legend, so viewers can easily interpret branch colors and customer clusters. And that's it. Now you can spot customer clusters outside your coverage and view pop-ups with map-based insights like store preference and visit frequency. Perfect for industries like retailers to target high-demand zones, healthcare teams to find underserved areas, real estate firms to spot growth clusters, FMCG brands to align distribution with consumption, and many more. Want to give MAPOG a try for your customer hotspot map? Head over to story.mapog.com and start in minutes. Need help with styling, presentation flow, or anything GIS related? Drop us a line at support@mapog.com. We're here to help.